Welcome to Tom's Garage. Today I'll tell you how I take care of my 2024 Testa Model 3 Performance. The car is just a bit over 6 months old. When I purchased this Tesla, I decided to put the protective film on the front, the whole front including mirrors, and then as well as coating over the car. So today we're gonna take the car to the car wash, and it's a hand car wash, of course, when you do the film and the coating, and then you kind of stuck with the hand wash. You can either let the people who did the coating or other people who specialize in this, and my guys who did the film and the coating do it for $80 wash, and you should do it maybe once a month, but they're far away from me, and $80 sounds like a lot for a car wash, so I'm doing this myself, and I show you how in a moment. The car is not very dirty, washed a month ago. Looks terrific with the film and the coating, but there's some road dirt, and I drive on a highway once a week, 250 miles each way, so I got some bugs on the bumpers and stuff like that. So let's go to the car wash. Oh, and I show you what I use. I do the 2-bucket wash on the hand wash place, and I use only microfiber towels. This is the most important thing. It's a glove. And then I use a car shampoo. I'm not being sponsored by anybody, so those are brands that I pick, but I don't know how much better they are or worse from like the other ones that you can pick. One is for a shampoo, one is for a glass. All right, let's go. Okay, my buckets are ready. We're gonna leave soon for the car wash. As far as taking care of the car inside, that's my 7th month driving. I do have passengers, not all the time, but frequently. The car is in a perfect shape. The seats, they're white. You'd think they might get maybe stains or dirt will hold them to them, but it's not. They're in absolutely perfect shape. That's where I sit all the time. Almost 9,000 miles, rather. 9,000 miles, perfect shape.
To me, it kind of is similar to how it might feel.
This car wash takes either credit cards, and it's $7 per wash, or if you have cash quarters, it's only $4. So I'll bring quarters to the car wash. It's actually $5 versus $7. I'm gonna do some shampoo here, and just a plain water here, and I will fill it up a little bit, not the whole bucket, but most of it. I'm gonna let the car. water. And more to the shampoo. This water is nice and warm. And no worries, it's not a tough job with the cold water, but it's very gently warm. Okay, the car is now wet. Pretty well done. Start with shampoo, and you want to start with the roof of the car, so everything is flowing down. Alright, finished. So, now the money. Also start with the top. Okay, once we rinse the soap, we can dry with our microfiber only cloth. And you can buy them at any store, any gas station even. And you do it until it's dry. Okay, I don't use it again. I'll dry it at home, I take next one and continue.